Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2011 to 2019 Ford Explorer, the 99-5862CH. Using a pry tool, unclip and remove the trim panels to the left and right of the climate and radio control panel. Remove the 4 7mm screws securing the climate and radio control panel. Unclip, unplug, and remove the climate and radio control panel. Remove the 4 screws securing the radio display. Then remove the 4 7mm screws retaining the radio chassis. Then, carefully unplug and remove. Slide the chassis out, then unplug and remove. Metra offers 2 different USB replacement modules sold separately. Remove the factory USB module and replace it with the Metra USB module, making sure to run the cables and wiring to the aftermarket radio. Next, assemble the new brackets to the aftermarket radio. Using the factory screws, secure the radio in the dash. When mounting the chassis, make sure to leave the 10-pin in the lower compartment to reach the center panel. Then attach the radio trim panel provided with this kit. After connecting and programming the controls, check for all functionality. There are 2 methods for kit programming and getting into the customization settings available in this product. Follow the included instructions to use the kits, knobs, and displays, or download and install the AX-Custom-BT app from the Android, Apple, mobile devices app store. This kit includes all necessary wiring and interfaces for audio, steering wheel controls, backup camera, and the antenna adapter as well. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio-video, and steering wheel control interface options. Lastly, reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation. Included with this product, depending on the features in the car, provided are buttons to place in the empty spots within the kit. The kit is equipped with blank buttons and feature buttons such as parking sets and rear camera view. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.